How are you today?
I'm good.
So how long have you been coming to our salon?
For about over 2 years now.
And what do you like about our salon?
I love the employees here that always listen to me at night, always kind, and the art and creativity that they have here is really amazing. So I just love coming here to do my nails.
And how was your service today?
It was really good. Catherine did an amazing job on my nails. She did exactly what I wanted to have done, and really appreciate that she's done.
And what do you like about getting acrylic?
Acrylic is because they last long, and design-wise we do a lot on it, but I just love the way they always come out.
And if you were to tell a friend about getting acrylic with us, what would it be? What design, or like why? Yeah, like if you were just to tell anyone about getting acrylic, like what's the first thing you would say about it?
That really damage your nails, and it's just a really good way to have your nails. Instead of using nail polish, it lasts long, and it's an easy way to start too.
And is there anything we can improve to make your experience here better?
No, I love B-nails, and the experience here is really great.
Good. Well, thank you so much for sitting down with me today.
Yeah.